In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an Amazon account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for new videos and updates. So let's get started. For creating an Amazon account, first of all, you need to have an Amazon app which you can easily get to App Store or Play Store. Since you can see on my mobile screen that I do already have an Amazon app on my phone, either I can simply tap on Open option to open it. But today I'm going to help you create it through browser. I will take you to one of the browser options. So for this, you can choose a suitable browser. You can search a type web address, or you can tap here amazon.com. And this will get you to an Amazon home screen where you can see that you can sign in for the better experience. I'm going to tap in sign in. With it, you do have two of the options over here. That's telling us to create an account or sign in. I'm going to tap on create account since we are going to create an account. With it, I'm going to fill the required details over here with the name, the mobile or the email that I'm suitable and comfortable with. I am going to keep one of my numbers over here, simply to log in for a better experience. And then I can choose the country code as well, where I'm going to choose my own country's code for better experience, and I'm going to keep one of the password, which should be 6 characters long, and it's already 6 character long. So with it, I'm going to tap on verify mobile number if I'm okay with all of the information that I've kept. I'm going to get notifications on my mobile number, which I'm going to simply ensure it right over here. And after confirming the OTP, I'm going to tap on create to Amazon account. Okay people, simply after tapping on it, I do have an Amazon account. Okay people, as you can see that I've already created an Amazon account for myself, and for better experience you can even update your profile by going onto these 3 parallel lines on the top left corner of the screen. Tapping on it, here is a notification by an Amazon. It tells me hello Alexa, where I can tap here and get into a new page where I can give my location, which can be optional, and I'm going to keep my own country. And by tapping on submit, I am simply into my profile, and you can see that I can even edit my profile. And for keeping a profile picture, I can tap on this profile icon, add a photo, and choose the files that I want to keep by going onto my gallery and choose one of the picture like this. And yes people, simply I am into an Amazon account. I've already created an account, and now I can shop here and add more person and take my orders as well. So this is how you create an Amazon app. So I hope people this video was really helpful for you. I hope to see you again on the next video for more updates and information on Tech and Wave. You can visit our channel. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.